Discover the best long-range drones, including the Mavic Air 2, Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom, Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, and the Inspire 2. We've prepared a list of the best long-range drones for sale, covering everything you need to know before you buy a drone. If you are looking for a long-range drone, transmission systems, flight distances, and flight times are all important factors to consider. A content creator might prefer a longer flight that is suitable for their travels, whereas a construction manager monitoring a railway project requires a drone that can be flown over longer distances without losing signal. Whatever your application is, we'll take you through everything you need to know about long-distance drones. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best long-range drone available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints, as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on the economy, features, and prices of each beach chair. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best long-range drone, this list will show the products available for that if you want more information and price. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Our team conducts all types of experiments with the latest products to give a good idea to the audience. With all our experiences, we justify the quality of the newly released products. Our product researchers, through their experiences, provide an actual buying guide list that ensures 3 aspects in the market. These are focused and listed according to price, customers' review, and ratings. Only a real user can justify the quality of a product. Based on those number of users and our tests, we provide every detail, working procedure, and suggestion for opening options to choose the right one. Our review contents: camping and outdoor gear, gadgets and accessories, survival and technical gear, PC and gaming device, health and fitness, home appliance, tools, kitchen gadgets, and transportation. Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.
One more view present top 5 best long-range drone. Let's get started with the list of the best long-range drone. Number 1. EACHINE E38 Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter Drone. Features: frequency 2.4G channel for CHGRO 6-axis. Motor 8*20mm brushed coreless. Quadcopter battery 2 PCS x 3.7 V 1600 mAh LiPo included. Charging time 90 to 120 minutes each battery. R/C distance 80-100 m. Flying weight 280 g with battery. 720p 120° FOV HD camera. Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Trajectory flight. Altitude hold mode. 1 key return. VR mode. Gravity sensor mode. Headless mode. Speed control. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Bump F-7 Orbis Hand Sensor Glove Drone. Features: ergonomic hand sensor remote control. Ready to fly drone. Intuitive ergonomic controls. 360-degree stunt flip. Single button launch/land, onboard altitude maintaining stability controls. Protective propeller safety bumpers. Power level LED indicators. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. BABRIC Biff-1 Wi-Fi FPV-RC drones. Features: gravity sensing control, live video direct to your device, real-time Wi-Fi transmission, altitude hold, flight design, headless mode, 1 key takeoff/landing, 3-speed adjustment, 3.7 V 1000 mAh LiPo included, video/photo resolution, HD 720p. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 4. FANCOOL 4000 feet FPV drones with EIS camera for adults. Features: adjustable camera angle 90 degree, 4K EIS camera drone, 1 to 3 inch CMOS, foldable camera drone to 6.8 in for portable. 5G transmission is realized quickly transmitter. FPV drone for adults, couple. Brushless motor and wind resistance. Altitude hold. Follow me mode. Orbit flight. Night vision, turn the light on when the GPS weak. GPS for auto return to home drone for adults. Tap fly the point you like. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. JJRC H68 drone with camera for adults. Features: safety protection guards, ultra long flying time, 720p HD 45 degrees adjustable camera, Wi-Fi FPV transmission, gravity sensor mode, 3-speed modes, 3.7 V 1800 mAh LiPo included, camera 720p with 45 degrees adjustable angle, wider vision and smooth transmission. Check product link and price on video description below.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.